Hi everybody, it's Ginny here from Fine & Country on Exmoor and welcome to 10 and 11 Brushford. These beautiful cottages are situated in the pretty village of Brushford with fantastic road links back to Exmoor, North Devon and also Tiverton. So please follow me to find out more. Welcome inside number 10. The property is currently used as an Airbnb and benefits from a very cosy sitting room, 2 bedrooms, its own bathroom, fitted kitchen and also a very private garden. Welcome to number 11. The property benefits from very flexible accommodation with part of it currently used as an Airbnb. It also has the added benefit of private gardens and ground floor bedrooms, which adds to the property's versatility. The property also has the added benefit of ample parking, the studio workshop, as well as the former piggery. The property has the most exquisite gardens with its own beautiful vegetable patch, as well as this fantastic lawned area with its own pond. If you'd like to know more information about this superb property, then please not hesitate to contact us, as of course we would be delighted to hear from you.